Hello, welcome to my digital story. What is CrossFit? This digital story will answer this question. So what is CrossFit? CrossFit is functional movements constantly varied at high intensity. Now let's break that down. Functional movements are movements you do in everyday life. Things like squatting to sit down in your chair, deadlifting to pick stuff up off the ground, pressing things overhead, to put things on shelves or up in cupboards. So let's talk about those functional movement. CrossFit uses 9 core movements: the air squat, the front squat, the overhead squat, the strict press, push press, and then the push jerk. And then the deadlift, sumo deadlift, and medicine ball clean. Here are some more movements you might see in CrossFit workouts. Rowing machine, which simulates like rowing a boat. Kettlebell swing, swinging the bar between your legs up over your head and back. Toes to bar, hanging straight down, then swinging your feet up so your toes touch the bar. Burpees, stand, squat, get into a push-up position, touch your chest to the floor, hop your feet back towards your hands, stand up, and then jump. And wall balls, squatting down, throwing a ball up to a specific height on the wall, depending on if you're a boy or a girl. In CrossFit, they use something called a WOD. WOD, what is that? WOD, or WOD, stands for Workout of the Day. Each day a workout is posted, and remember, CrossFit is functional movements constantly varied at high intensity. So the workouts are going to be completely different each time. Here's an example of a WOD. As we can see, there's a warm-up, and this says 3 rounds with bar. A bar is a 45-pound barbell with no weights on it. You would do 10 good mornings, then 10 back squats, then 10 presses, and that is 1 round. Then you would do that sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. There's a strength portion. This day they're doing deadlift, which picking something heavy up off the ground. You do it 12 times, then 10, then 8, then 6 times at 70% of your body weight. Now the actual WOD is called Annie Over. There's a lot of WODs out there. A lot of them are named after women or fallen soldiers. This particular one has a 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. You would do 50 double unders, which is jump rope, sit-ups, or 50 sit-ups, 50 push-ups. Then you would go to the next round, 40 double unders, 40 sit-ups, 40 push-ups, and so on until you get to 10 jump ropes, 10 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, and you're done. Can anyone do CrossFit? Yes, CrossFit is fully scalable and adaptable for people of all ages and abilities. If you think you're too old or out of shape or weak or tired or uncoordinated, you won't be if you do CrossFit. If you do CrossFit, you'll experience increased power, strength, cardiovascular and respiratory endurance, flexibility, stamina, coordination, agility, balance, and coordination.